and welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. I'm your host, Mikey. Salty and I would like to join you for this summer stitch along. He's so excited. When I say yarn, he's acting like I am at the yarn aisle. Yay! You're my favorite. The Study of Determination is this year's blanket, and I'm really quite excited about it. I designed it last August of 2022, and then kind of just figured out what colors it's going to be and everything. So it was a bit of a challenge for me to design this. I almost quit several times, to be frank, and so I was determined to finish it, therefore the Study of Determination. There are two different colorways. We have the Going Boldly, and we also have the Flower Vase, and I have a little kitty sneaking up beside me here. So, okay, you done? This blanket is 56 by 56 inches square, and it's also using a 5.5 millimeter size I/9 crochet hook. I've decided to use Red Heart Comfort yarn, and this yarn really surprised me. Over the years, this yarn has gotten better and better, and because of the size of the balls too, there's a great value with the particular yarn as well. So let's go over the colors for Going Boldly, which is version number 1. You'll need 1 ball of each of the following colors: charcoal, gray, goldenrod, petal pink, hot pink, and peacock. For the second version of the Flower Vase, you'll need 1 ball of each of the following colors: charcoal, gray, seafoam, petal pink, hot pink, and cream. So over the years, I've learned how to design even better, and one thing that I've learned too is that you don't want to run to the pattern for every row or round. So there's more repeating in this one here so that you can get used to the pattern, just put the pattern down and just be able to hook your way until you can't hook anymore. And it is actually really a great time. So the sign-ups begin July 13th, and you can sign up for an email that will be delivered to you on Thursdays starting on July 27th. We're doing this all on a Thursday. So it's a really neat idea. It's a total of 4 weeks, so this will take us to the end of August to be able to do this. Now, if you want to do Christmas gifts, anything like this, the nice thing about stitch-alongs is that you can do each section as the weeks go, so that you can start multiple at the same time so that you can continue to build it out. We also have a dedicated Facebook page where you can join in on the fun that is all things stitch along. And so we want you to be excited, we want you to have fun, and we want you to be part of our community this summer as you stitch along together. It'll be week by week, so nobody can jump ahead, and we'll be providing you the written instructions, the crochet diagrams, and also the crochet videos in order to follow. So we got everybody covered in this stitch along. We hope that you can join us with hashtag Summer Stitch Along, and I'm your host Mikey on behalf of Yarnspirations, and we hope to see you real soon. So please see the more information in this video, and you can find out a lot more about this particular stitch along. We'll see you, and have a great summer. I talk about yarn and he gets all excited. Oh, Salty.